Hi, Patch. Oh, it's a lovely morning. Little mountains. Good morning.
Good morning.
Getting the griddle warmed up here for bacon.
Awesome.
You like bacon? Oh yeah. Oh, he's all tied up. He can't move.
Did your shoes dry up?
Bacon. Patch, you like camping? You look pretty comfortable there, kiddo. You look very comfortable. I gotta say, you got this camping thing down pat, don't you? Sit back, relax, and be a good boy, and maybe you get some bacon. It's doing. Oh yeah, that's coming along nice. Some people out fishing. Give me the willies. Heebie-jeebies up there. Likes to sit. He likes to sit right in the front. Yeah, you. You don't have to lean back.
Is that what they're working on?
Yeah, I think that's. Well, that's where the dolly. What do they call it? Dolly paddle wheel boat. I don't know where it's at. Maybe it's out on a run already. Wow. That's the dam. The Robert and I went to the dam yesterday.
Did you come back to here?
No. Because you got the mountain right here?
I found the towel. It was about to blow out.
You found the towel? Where was it? Front?
Yeah, it's about to blow out in the ground.
Okay, thank you, hon. Isn't that pretty? There's where we want to go, right there. Patch. I think Patch is helping me. Are you helping me, Patch? That's the boat ramp that I was looking for. Alright, so the rope is on that side. That's really cool, like a little beach area. We've got a little picnic table, camp area. If you bring a tent, you can camp out here on a tent. And there's the boat dock. They even have a restroom with a call box for emergencies. Nice. I think there's like a little beach area down there too. There might be another table over that way, I don't know. What'd you call that?
Jasper. Different colors.
Yep. Here you go. Oh. That's nice. Hopefully nobody has to use that. Looked like there was another table over here. Yep. Another little spot there. Let's see. Oh yeah. A spot you can camp here. So one of the things about Canyon Lake, as opposed to like Lake Havasu and Lake Pleasant, this lake doesn't have as much shoreline area that you can actually pull up on. So this is kind of nice to have this available here for camping, shore camping, or just bring your boat, dock it, and then camp over here. Boat in camping, I think they call it. Picnic table. And of course, hiking around here. Just a beautiful day. It's probably about, I don't know, I'm gonna guess about 5 miles from the marina, maybe 6, because you have to kind of come around the bend here. I'll add a little map on the video so you can kind of see where we are in relation to the marina. Shall we go have a drink?
Yeah.
You ready for a drink? Oh yeah. Quack. Well, no sooner did we get back to camp, and I said to Tammy, we better pull the boat out because the winds were starting to get bad and the clouds were starting to build up. And sure enough, right around dinner time, the storm came in. It's typical. You always got to keep an eye on the sky. But if you do like to come out and do something just for the day, check out the Dolly Steamboat Cruises. They have 4 different kinds of cruises. A couple of them run at night, and a couple of cruises run during the daytime. Here's the website for you, dollysteamboat.com. Now you can come and just take your chance during the daytime. But I will say this, that every time I went up to the office to ask questions and stuff and check on the cruise, there were lines of people, about 100 people, 75 people, 100 people in line waiting to get on the boat. So it's very popular. It's a very popular attraction during the daytime. Now they also have a list of rules that are pretty typical for your campgrounds. Things like, your 5-mile-an-hour speed limit, pick up after your pets, picking up glass containers, and so on and so forth. So just I showed that up there so you could kind of give a look at that if you need to stop the video. They also have a total of 9 tent sites. They have 19 sites that have 30 amp power and 17 sites that have 50 and 30 amp power. And most of those are right on the water or close to the water. That is just great. I love that. So nice. So hey, safe and happy travels wherever you guys go this time of year. I hope you liked this and found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, please. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified for more videos in the future. So this is Dave saying, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next trip. Bye.